Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. And this is going to have to count for a celebration of 500 subscribers because I need to thank the first 500 of you for making me eligible for a community tab. I've been looking forward to having a community tab and wondering why they don't let everybody have them. Why you have to have 500 subscribers? Because it's a fun perk. It's a little fun extra on YouTube. So thank you very much to my first 500 subscribers for making it possible for me to have a community tab. I have had a few responses on my community tab, and one of the polls I put up has gotten enough votes that this is the result. This is the winner of my second community tab poll of which burger to veganize first. And the greatest percentage of votes was for all. I put up 3 options. Put up an option for all, put up an option for none. And I will be doing all of them, but this got the biggest percentage next to the option for all. So I decided to do this one first. It is the fatty melt. And you won't actually find a traditional fatty melt video on YouTube. Serious Eats does one, but they do one with bacon, and I didn't feel like doing one with bacon. This is the original fatty melt. It is a burger patty between 2 grilled cheese sandwiches instead of a bun. That's pretty much all you do. Featured here with a pickle because, you've got to have a green vegetable when you're going to eat junk like this. So anyway, here goes the taste. This is a great big fat thing. It's everything you're looking for in over-the-top, ridiculous, indulgent burger decadence, but veganized. 100% plants. So you don't need to feel guilty, especially when you have a pickle to go along with it. I will put the recipe on my blog, and I will link it in the description. Regular uploads, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. I may do community tab posts on Mondays and Fridays. So look for those if you don't get notifications of them. Thank you for watching, subscribing, liking, sharing, and thank you again to everyone who made it possible for me to have my community tab. 500 subscribers. See you later, guys.